Hi, my name is Krish.
And hi, my name is Andrew.
We're from Team 16290 Zip Ties, and today we're here to talk to you about programming tools and advice.
If you want to code in Java, you'll mainly use Android Studio or IntelliJ. These are full coding environments where you can write, test, and organize your robot's programs.
If you'd rather write Java directly through the robot without installing software, you can use OnBot Java. It runs in a browser connected to your control hub.
Finally, there's block coding. The OnBot block coding tool lets you drag and drop commands, which is a great way to learn the basics.
Now some tips. Always prioritize reliability over complexity. A simple, solid robot code will win matches more than something complicated that breaks.
Keep your naming consistent to ensure that everybody on the team knows what each part does.
Structure your code by breaking it into methods or sections. That makes it way easier to debug and update during competitions.
Use sensors like encoders, IMUs, or distance sensors. They make your robot smarter and more accurate on and off the field.
And finally, ask for help. Programming is a team effort. Sharing ideas and solutions makes everyone stronger. We hope these programming tools and advice help you throughout the season. Good luck.